Thousands of rescue workers are trying to reach more than 50,000 people trapped by floodwaters in northern India. Authorities say more than 550 people have died, and that number is expected to go even higher.
This used to be a busy highway brimming with pilgrims in the hills of North India, but totally cut off from the rest of the country at the moment. This iconic Hindu shrine of Kedarnath now completely washed away. We are on board an Indian Air Force helicopter which is carrying relief material for hundreds and thousands who are still stranded near the holy Kedarnath shrine in Uttarakhand. The weather has not been good and it is a difficult mountainous terrain which has hampered the rescue operations. Hundreds of people still stranded here, desperate for help. Indian Army, Air Force and other disaster management agencies have been working round the clock to help the survivors.
It's nearly a week since the rains began. Thousands have been stranded across a wide area. Food is running out and fresh water is becoming scarce.
I've spoken to some people from the group and they say they have no supplies, and what has arrived causes a huge fight with the local residents as everyone needs food.
Help was only coming by air, but slowly ground routes are opening.
As thousands remain stranded in various parts of flood-ravaged Uttarakhand, rescue operations are on full swing. The Met Department has predicted heavy rains in the next few days, which could prove to be a challenge. ITBP and Army officials say that the next 24 hours are very crucial and hope to rescue many stranded pilgrims as soon as possible.
देखिए, प्रायोरिटी 1 जो है केदारनाथ वैली है, बिकॉज केदारनाथ वैली में लोग ओपन में भी थे। तो जैसा है कि गौरी गांव में जहां पर हमने सबसे पहले हेलीपैड बनाया और वहां से नीचे उतरने के लिए रास्ता भी बनाया, वहां से जो हजारों में लोग जो थे, अब वहां पर जो रिपोर्टेड हैं कि 400-500 से ज़्यादा नहीं है, जो बिकॉज सवेरे जब वेदर नहीं साथ दे रहा था तो हम काफ़ी सारे लोगों को नीचे उतारने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, लेकिन ये लोग फिजिकली वीक भी हैं। खाना वहां पर पहुंच गया था, रसद पहुंच गया था गौरी गांव में, पर फिर भी एंग्जाइटी, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, तो उनको जितना हम निकाल सकते हैं। अभी यहाँ पर ब्रिगेडियर साहब बता रहे हैं कि आर्मी से कि ALH जो है वहाँ पर अब जैसा वेदर क्लियर हो रहा है तो वहाँ ALH भी उतारा जाएगा, तो उनको वहाँ से एयर इवैक्यूएट किया जाएगा।
Priorities, we are trying to clear off people from where they are stuck and within the earliest or the shortest time frame. What we are looking at is we want to clear off as many people as possible, get them to safer lower places, and of course there will be certain people who will not be able to evacuate them within the given time frame. We will ensure that they have adequate supplies with them, some clothing, food, water, medicines, and that process is on as of now from Gochar.
जंगल चट्टी में उसके अगल बगल में लोग काफी फंसे हुए हैं। वहां सबसे प्राथमिकता है कि वहां अभी तक कोई उनके लिए फूड नहीं जा रहा है, तो पहले भी हम किसी तरह से अभी फूड पहुंचाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, और जहां रास्ता कट गया है वहां फूड ब्रिज लगाने के लिए आज शाम तक फूड ब्रिज आने की संभावना है। आज शाम में नहीं आ गया है, तो कल तक तो ये काम हो जाएगा। और ये फूड ब्रिज विशेषता गौरी कुंड के थोड़ा सा अगल बगल में है, केदारनाथ तक का एक्सेस मिल जाएगा। और दूसरा पांडुकेश्वा, जो थोड़ा सा पांडुकेश्वा के हाइट है, जो बद्रीनाथ को एक्सेस होगा, तो ये दोनों एक्सेस हो जाएंगे तो काफी सुविधा हो जाएगी।
ये आपदा बहुत गंभीर है, बहुत व्यापक है, बहुत बड़ा क्षेत्र प्रभावित है, लेकिन हम कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ रहे हैं, पूरा प्रयास कर रहे हैं उन तक पहुंचने का, उन तक मदद करने का, जीवन बचाने का। रास्ते खोलने के लिए इंतजाम किए जा रहे हैं। जहां लोग हमारे भाई फंसे हुए हैं, चाहे बद्रीनाथ है, चाहे गौरीकुंड है, चाहे गुप्तकाशी है, जहां भी फंसे हैं, हरसिल में, यमुनोत्री में, हम सब जगह उनको भोजन की व्यवस्था करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, हेलीकॉप्टर से निकालने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं।
Apart from the IAF helicopters in operation, the Rajasthan government has also given 2 choppers and 30 buses for evacuation of the pilgrims. The Gujarat government has also put into operation 2 chartered planes, 747 Boeings with a capacity of 140 persons each, to ferry pilgrims from the state stuck in high altitude areas to Ahmedabad.
More rain is expected from tomorrow, according to the Met Department. From the 24th of June, we believe the rainfall will be widespread. Tomorrow, the rainfall might be quite mild, but Monday onwards, it's quite possible that there may be moderate to heavy rainfall, a spell that's likely to last the 28th or even the 29th.
And while rescue teams search for people in different parts of Uttarakhand, many people are also using the social media to get information about their loved ones.
If the armed forces have been deployed to search for the thousands missing in the flood-battered Uttarakhand, a massive search is on in the virtual world as well. The social media has brought people together in this hour of tragedy to help them locate their missing family members. Why did you upload these pictures?
Basically to cover the large population, which is not in contact over the phone.
The clamour for help has now spread to Google spreadsheets. Hundreds of people have begun updating the spreadsheet with information about their loved ones, hoping to get some leads.
Not just that, search engine Google has made it much easier to look for your loved ones in this hour of difficulty. You can just go to the Google Person Finder, either look for someone or provide information on anyone you know, and then just type out the name of the missing. From the list, find out your person and just access all the information on them. This software has already helped locate many.
This Facebook page called Help Kedarnath 2013 Floods was started by a group of friends after someone known to them went missing. It includes helpline numbers, scanned lists of those found and photos of those still missing.
By this complete method, we have got information about 50 people right now.
Even Twitter is filled with information and leads. Isha Maheshwari, whose parents are missing in Uttarkashi, says this has given her hope.
I just uploaded these details in the morning on the computer, on the Facebook and on the website as well, that my parents are missing and my aunt and uncle are missing. Somebody just called in the evening to figure out their whereabouts.